Are you experiencing a connection issue with your Brother printer of MFC-L2700 series? Well, this video will provide all the info to fix the problem. In most cases, this happens when the printer isn't connected properly and there's a glitch with the wireless network. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the right way to connect your printer and get it back up and running. And if you need any additional help, feel free to give our expert team a call on the numbers on the screen right now. Alright, let's jump right into it.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
On your printer's control panel, press the menu button. Now, keep pressing the down button until you see the network option. Press the OK button to select it. Press the down arrow button again, choose WLAN from the list and hit OK. You'll now see a Setup Wizard option on the screen. Just press OK to move forward. Your Brother printer will now start scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Give it a few seconds. Once the list of available networks shows up, find your Wi-Fi name and select it and press OK. Now, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password in the network keys section. Once you've entered the correct password, hit the OK button. You'll see an Apply Settings screen pop up. Just choose Yes to complete the connection. And that's it. Your Brother printer is now connected to Wi-Fi. Press OK to finish up and you're all set.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.